Popular dancehall entertainer Mavado is grieving the loss of his older brother. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Dancehall star Mavado is grieving the loss of his older brother. In a heartfelt but vague Instagram post, Mavado shared a snapped video of his brother captioned, "Jano Big Bro still can't believe." Details surrounding his brother's passing remains unclear. Entertainer Nesbeth and Jordan from Chimney Records and Javi Ambassador among those offering condolences to Mavado. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.